Are you looking to connect your Cash App card with Apple Pay so you can spend faster, easier, and more securely? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to verify and add your Cash App card to Apple Pay step by step. So stick around until the end because I'll also share a quick tip to keep your card secure. First, make sure you already have your Cash App card ordered and activated. This is a must before connecting to Apple Pay. Once that's done, grab your iPhone and open the Cash app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Card tab. Right at the top, you'll see the option that says Add Card to Apple Pay. Tap it to start the process. If you don't see this option, no worries. Just tap your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down to Support, and search for Apple Pay. Tap the article or link that appears, and you'll be guided to the same card addition screen. Now follow the prompts carefully. Tap Next. Allow Cash App to connect with Apple Pay and accept the terms and conditions. Within seconds, you'll see a confirmation that your card has been successfully added. You can even set it as your default card so it's ready every time you use Apple Pay. From this point forward, your Cash App card is verified and ready to use anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, both online and in store. And here's a quick pro tip. Your Cash App card PIN stays the same as the one you set inside the app, and you can lock or unlock the card anytime for extra security. That's it. You've successfully added and verified your Cash App card for Apple Pay. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like and check the description below for more money-saving tips, including a bonus resource on low-fee money transfers that might help you save even more. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides, just like this one.